Safety message for the week. It is on hand and power tools. And the copy I'm going to send you is, there's a source on there. And I thought it really does a good job, as most employers do a pretty good job with equipment these days. It's other things that we do or we don't do that really get us in trouble. But there is part of everything we can't lose sight of, and that's hand and power tools that almost every one of us use. So what are some general requirements for my message this week? Number one, use the right tool for the job. Match the tool for the task. Examine all tools for damage before each use. No matter what, power cords, if damaged, take out of service, put a tag on it. Make sure we understand those procedures in-house for corrective action. If we don't, let's make sure we get it in place immediately. Read the instruction manual. All power tools should have a 3-prong grounded plug, all right, or a double insulated. Make sure the guards and devices are in place. Always wear the appropriate personal protective equipment. Safety glasses and gloves should be worn while operating most power tools. Other PPE may also be necessary. Avoid using power tools in wet or damp areas. Utilize the GFCI when it's necessary. Do not wear loose clothing, dangling objects, or jewelry, long hair. All right, should be restrained. Unplug tools before installing, adjusting, or changing the attachments or accessories. Maintain solid footing and good balance when using a tool. Hold and brace the tool securely. Be aware of the surrounding environment. Ensure that the tool accessories are specific for the tool to be used. And if a tool slips out of our hands, don't lunge for it. Protect ourselves first. Please remember that, because we have that going on all the time. Keep fingers away of saw blades, clamp materials down, and keep all guards in place. Do not use compressed air to clean people or our own skin. Performing electrical work, use insulated rated tools. Using pneumatics, all right, a safety clip or a retainer clip, a safety clip or retainer must be installed to prevent the equipment or hoses from coming apart. Never point pneumatic points at anyone. All hand grinders must be used with the guards and handles in place. Impact tools such as drift pins, wedges, and chisels shall be kept free of mushroomed heads. And make sure on even a regular tool, a hammer, that it's not coming apart at the end. Be careful of that and inspect for that. Abrasive wheels mounted should be inspected closely to be sure that they're free of any cracks and defects. Where flammable atmospheres exist, spark-resistant tools made from brass, plastic, aluminum, or wood will prevent ignition sources. That is my message for the week. Make good choices. As my teammate always says, head on a swivel, eyes always looking beyond, ears always listening. Keep that in mind and have a great and safe week. Thanks.